Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, maybe in the previous month ago, so you have already heard about the creating video with the Veo3 model, and you have heard that the quality of the Veo3 is quite really good, realistic, and also very smooth following the prompt that we have just put into the section. But maybe recently you have also heard that the another model that can do the same as good, and some people say that it is even better than the Veo3, and that model can be called as the Sora 2, like this. Well, basically you can access this Sora 2 here by the, let's say, simply open it with the Google, and you can also simply visit this. And also there is several platform that will allow you to create a video in this model of Sora 2. And for example, if you would like to visit the very authentic or the actual website of this Sora, so you can visit this actually sora.chatgpt.com over here, that you can, and then you can click videos, and after that you can join new Sora. But apparently that this, if you would like to access this new Sora or Sora 2, you need to enter the invite code, and also it depends on the location where you are living now. But if you would like to prove that this Sora 2 can be better than, or make the comparison between the Veo3 and also Sora 2, well, here I will recommend you to try this Sora2.cloud, because this platform will give you the chances to create or generate the video. And initially they will give you 10 credits that will allow you, and this is the section that you can start to create the video. This is the prompt section, and this is also the duration. As you can see that, or as we know before, that we usually create the video on Google Veo3 here in the Google Gemini AI. Each video usually has the 8-second length, but this Sora2.cloud will allow you to create the video with the 10 seconds length, and also you can activate the HD quality and also the orientation. And if you'd like to activate this HD quality, so it will also consume more credits. As you can see, when I inactivate it, it will only consume 5 credits, and I activate it, so it will consume 7 credits. So for example, you can put the prompt into this section. Let's say I will copy the video from the Google Gemini AI, and I have also created a video with the Veo3's model like this. Okay, this is the result that we usually got from the Veo3, and you can also put this into this section, and you can choose the duration to be 10 seconds first, and you can choose the orientation or the ratio, something like that. And you can also activate or inactivate this quality, and you can continue to generate the video, and the video would be like this. As you can see here, when I try to generate the video from the Veo3 in Gemini AI, basically the look and also the detail is really good over here. But since I put the prompt, it's like, or the basically is show me the mariachi group playing the music in the cow field over here, and the all over music until the end. I heard no sound of the cow, but when I generate the video into this Sora, so I heard about the very detailed voice of the cow itself. So which one do you prefer, guys? You choose the Sora 2 or the Gemini or the Veo3? So you can share us your perspective into our comment section down below. And if you would like to create the video with Sora, don't forget to try this Sora Cloud here. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.